In this video, you will learn how to create a realistic wall clock in PowerPoint. Follow our video to design and animate a clock. So let's start the video. Go to Insert tab and select this from Shape. Hold down the Shift key and drag it. Go back to Insert and select this from Shapes. Hold down the Shift key and drag it. Drag the yellow dot to left side. Go back to Insert and select Oval from Shape. Hold down the Shift key while dragging to create a perfect circle. Select all, then align center, align middle. Click on right button, go to Format Object, go to Shadow, select Inner Shadow from Preset. Increase size like this. Deselect this and change the shadow color. Change the color from Shape Fill. Also select background color. Select all, group them. Go to Format, then Align Center, Align Middle. Go to the Insert tab, select Text Box. Adjust numbers 1 through 12 around the clock face. Adjust the font, size and position. Go back to Insert, select this from Shape and let's create second, hour, minute hands of clock. Duplicate the shape. Go to Rotate, select Flip Horizontal. Select both and group them. Select this. Select No Fill from Shape Fill. Duplicate, decrease the width size. Go to Rotate, select left 90 degree. Increase height. Then align center and align middle. Duplicate, rotate, decrease width size. Change the color. Go back to Insert and select Oval from Shapes. Select Shadow from Preset. Duplicate. Change the color from Shape Fill. Click on second hand shape. Go to Animation tab and select Spin. Set the duration to 59 seconds. In the animation pane and choose Repeat until end of slide. Select and click on Animation Painter. Apply on this. Set the duration to 10 seconds. Select Start with Previous. By following this tutorial, you learned how to create a realistic wall clock in PowerPoint. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.